Hello everyone, good morning. I am Assistant Professor Bharu Prasad Vishwakarma from DG Tatkare Mahavidyalaya. So my topic is COVID-19 and its impact on the IT industrial company. So the COVID-19 pandemic has caused drastic changes in the many industries. Many industries are affected in this situation, but IT industry I think has not more effect due to the COVID-19. So there are some positive effect and there are some negative effect due to COVID-19 on the IT industries. The outbreak of COVID-19 has severely impacted global economics. So global economics are affected due to IT industry with disrupting business across the diverse sectors. Many sectors has the effect of that spread of the coronavirus now has led countries into lockdown, fearing the economics of reactions as the virus significantly affect most established countries in impact on India is relatively low than the other. But in India, other compared to other company, India has low impact of coronavirus in the IT industries and other industries also. So the effect of COVID-19 are having significant impact on technology sector, significant affecting raw material supply, disturbing the electronic value chain and causing an inflationary risk. So main effect are that main means no country to country supply here. Mainly, as we know, the more electronic things and computer market are imported from China, but today it is closed totally. And due to this, I am going to here consider the article which is related to effect which is related to COVID-19 on IT industry. They are hardware, software, IT services, telecommunication services, semiconductors, and networks equipment. So, due to lockdown, the significant weakness of the IT industries is facing now due to the fall in the economy. IT industry is only facing due to the investment, due to the economics, because lots of companies are forced to ask their employee to work from home, and keeping in the account in the public health concern. Due to this, there is massive loss in the opportunity for many companies who have international dealers. So, international dealers, where international dealers are concerned, in that case, the company is facing problem. And globally, 10% will fall the IT shares because of lack of availability of sources. 10% market will be down. For example, iPhones, and due to economic problem, persons are not more interested in taking new things. So the spread of this deadly virus has got a lots of conferences to get cancelled, which has been great partnership opportunity in many companies to expand their horizons. But in IT industry, many problems are not due to lack of resources, but due to lack of economical problem. However, coronavirus outbreak plays in IT industry service according to industry analysis will see a significant slowdown in growth during the financial year. So there will be growth in IT industry slowly. It is not going to down. And few threats are due to pandemic is over what would happen to the IT sector. But many experts says that just like 2008 globalization economic problem which happened in 2008, in this year also more bad effect of global economical problem will be happen on the employment and many more things. But there are many opportunities for the IT sectors, because to solve the problem work from home, the persons are using mobile laptops and work from home. Educations are also given through the online software, so their market, the software market will increasing, hardware market is increasing due to that. Like for conferencing we are using iPhone, either phone which have Android features, laptops and have many more things. Then internet is required for persons. So due to this demand, the IT industry will increasing. Persons are using Zoom, Google Meet and many more softwares. Then WhatsApp video call, for video call WhatsApp are using. All these teleconferencing tools help the people who are not able to face communication, who are quarantine, who want to this. So advantage that the telecommunication market, due to we are benefiting when we call to any person, then telecommunication has message कि the person which you sorry, आप जिस लॉकडाउन प्रक्रिया शुरू हो गई है, आप घर से बाहर तभी निकले जब बहुत ज़रूरत हो, तो सेम इंफॉर्मेशन, प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, रीच टू ईच पर्सन, to each citizen through this message. So this is the use of telecommunication and IT industry in the market in this situation also. And proper information, rumors are not spread due to this. Many more apps are developed in few last months like Arogya Setu. So these are the advantage which is in that case. Then there are also demanding speed of net. So 5G technology will coming in India. So telehealth is okay, IT industry is okay, but globalization, the more big contract which is from other countries are broken, due cancelled, or big companies problems. So these are the problems which is faced by the IT industry. But I think IT industry has no more effect due to this coronavirus, and I think everyone is safe. Thank you, and thank you.